Good afternoon to you, dear students. Let us see today's question in games of races and skill. Model number 1. A can give B a start of 15 meters in a 100 meters race. B can give a start of 10 meters to C in the same race. How much start can A give C in 100 meters race? I repeat the question. A can give B a start of 15 meters in a 100 meters race. That means 100 meters race is going on. A can give B a start means A has reached the final point. Here I am writing A reached 100 meters. So B is 15 meters behind in the race. So B is at 85 meters. So A can give B a start of 15 meters in the 100 meters race means A has reached 100 meters, B has reached 85 meters because B is 15 meters behind. And B can give a start of 10 meters to C. B can give a start of 10 meters to C. That means if B reached 100 meters, C reached 90 meters, B can give C a start of 10 meters to C. The question is A can give C how much start in a 100 meters race. Now this is like A is to B is to C ratio. We'll multiply across 100 into 100, 10,000, 100 into 85, 8,500, and 85 into 90, 7650. That means if A is at 10,000, B is at 85,000, 15 minutes behind, and C is at 7650. If I cancel 0, 1 0 second cancel, I can divide the 3 with 5. 5 200s, 5 ones 5, 5 sevens 35, 170, and 5 ones 5, 5 fives 25, 5 threes 153. That means A is at 200, then B is at 170, C is at 153. Now if I divide with 2, if A is at 100, B is at 2 8s are 16, 2 5s 85, and C is at 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 76.5. Now the dear students, the answer is 100 minus 76.5 because he is asking A will give C how much. 100 minus 76.5 is 23.5 meters is the answer. Hope it's clear. A is to B he gave, B is to C he gave. We want A is to C. Let us see one more question of this model. In a 100 meters race, A can give B 10 meters and C 28 meters. In the same race, B can give C how much? In a 100 meters race, A can give B 10 meters. So automatically A, B, C. In a 100 meters race, A can give B 10 meters means A has reached the final point. B is 10 meters behind and C 28 meters. That means C is at 72. A is at 100. B is at 90, 10 meters behind. C is 28 meters behind, that is at 72 meters. So A reached the final point. B is at 90, C is at 70. In the same race, B can give C how much? That means 72. When C is at 72, B is at 90. But we have to go for 100 meters race. That is equal to 9 8s are 72, 9 10s are 90, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 5 20s are, 80 meters. That means when B is at 100, C is at 80 meters, 20 meters behind. That is the answer. So there are two questions in games of races and skill. In the first question, A can give B a start of 15 meters. In 100 meters race, B can give a start of 10 meters to C. In the same race, how much start A gives C? A is to B, B is to C, A is to C, he asks. In the second question, A is to B, A is to C. He wants B is to C. Now, dear students, if you are able to understand these two questions based on this, today I am giving one question which you have to solve and submit your answers. Let us see the question. In a 100 meters race, A can beat B by 25 meters and B can beat C by 4 meters. I repeat it. In a 100 meters race, A can beat B by 25 meters and B can beat C by 4 meters. In the same race, A can beat C by how many meters? I have given 4 options: 21 meters, 26 meters, 28 meters, and 29 meters. Students, try to solve the question and put your answer in explanation. Thank you.